Hi, I'm Chris Audette of the Waterman Center. I'm here at the Appalachian Marsh to tell you about an invasive plant that's threatening our native plant communities called garlic mustard. This is what it looks like in its growth stage right now, though some of it has already put out its pointier leaves and white flowers. If you are in question, you can take a leaf, crunch it up between your fingers, and give it a sniff. If it smells savory like garlic, it's probably garlic mustard. Now, garlic mustard is a problem because it outcompetes native plants and actually wages chemical warfare against them, preventing other plants from growing in the same area. I apologize for the traffic on the highway. So I want to show you what to do with garlic mustard, especially this coming Saturday, May 1st, when we're having the first annual garlic mustard throwdown at all of our preserves. Now you'll see we've installed orange little cribs like this, where after you've picked your garlic mustard, you toss it in. We'll take care of it from there. Now, if you feel so inclined to compete, I want you to pick as much garlic mustard as you can, whether it be at a Waterman preserve, whether it be in your backyard, whether it be down the street, as long as you have permission. And I want you to dispose of it properly and take a picture of yourself with your haul, creativity counts, and post it to our Facebook page with the hashtag #HoldTheMustard. You'll be entered into a drawing for a prize of homemade soaps by yours truly. Hope to see you out there this Saturday. I decided to come in out of the rain. I forgot to mention that this Saturday, May 1st, at 10 and 10:30, we'll be hosting invasive species plant walks at Brick Pond in Owego. It's a good opportunity to learn more about invasive plants if you want to participate in the garlic mustard throwdown immediately afterwards. Thank you very much. Again, Chris Audette from the Waterman Center.